So I think I found another bird that's stuck again near where I found the one last time. If this is the same that was like 2 or 3 weeks ago. If this is the same bird, well, I don't know if I don't know, something's weird. Something's not right with this thing. I don't know if I can even get to it, it's so shallow. I think he's on line again. God, it's bad over here. Yep, I see it on him now. Sorry, little dude. Alright, hang on. I'm gonna try to get you again. Or your little buddy, or whatever. Oop, just went into a freaking boat. Where'd he go? Shut. Where are you? Dude. Dude. Where did you go? How am I supposed to save you if you get stuck under the boat? Where did you go? Oh, Christ. There you go. There you go. All right. I'm going to have to use a rod to get the line. All right. I can do this. Hang tight, homie. Let me figure this out. Where's the line? Where's the line? Where are you? Where are you? Where'd you go? Come on up. I don't want to drop my phone. This might not be recordable. Are you over here? Oh. Where is this thing? Oh gosh, she's in the trolling motor. Shit. Okay. Oh, that's good. Now I can get you. He's wrapped up. He's wrapped up in here. I can get him from there. I can get you, and you can't bite me or do anything super weird. Hang on. This is a mess, sir. You've gotten yourself into a pickle. If I come over here and fish all the time, all these birds would be dead. Jeez. Oh my God, come here, dude. Okay. I just want to look and see what's going on before I cut it so that I don't get you messed up and I can't fix it. Okay? I want to make sure I cut it right. Okay. You're wrapped on your beak. Oh, I think you got, oh man, I think you got something, a hook. Is that a bait in your mouth? I hope not, little guy. I really hope not. I want to do this right. Okay, I see in your beak. If I just cut that out, and in your claw. If I just cut that out of your claw, is that gonna work? Okay. Is that it? No. You're good. You good? Oh, he's swam away. There he goes. Okay, that was it.